Hello, my name is Jonathan Clark. Welcome to ISE 2020, where we're showcasing today the Studio X30 in native Zoom mode. With this, we have the Studio X30 for your small huddle spaces, up to 6 seaters. It's got camera framing, active speaker tracking, integrated microphones. So it's an all-in-one, simple to deploy, simple to manage device that comes with the touch panel with the native Zoom interface. So you can start your meetings, you can share content with your devices using the way you share content with Zoom. So it's an all simple to use, simple to deploy Zoom room without the need for a PC in your meeting spaces. So the Studio X30 is the entry-level room for your small huddle spaces. We do the Studio X50, which will support dual screens and give you a larger, medium-sized meeting room for up to 10 people. Or then we have our Group 7500 for your modular room with more cameras, more microphones, more speakers and more screens. So if you want to see any more information, go to us at poly.com.